Guys, we got a Ram 1500. It's a 2017 Ram 1500 here in the shop. We just got finished changing the oil in it. We'll show you how to reset the oil life reset in the truck. So you're gonna put the ignition key in the on position. Don't start it. And you're gonna use the down arrow to navigate to the screen right here. Then you're gonna use the right arrow to arrow over. You're gonna go through these menus right here by pressing on the arrow that goes to the right. Let's see if I can get there you go. And then you're gonna come to oil life. So when you come to the oil life, it says to hold and reset. So you're gonna hold this button right here and you're gonna reset it. So I'm gonna hold that in. Confirm reset. So go arrow down to it and select OK. Then press to confirm. Now it's reset to 100. And that's all you need to do. So this should work on the 1500, the 2500, and the 3500. Hey, one thing I wanted to add, we noticed on our truck here that the first time around the oil life wouldn't reset. So we had to turn the key off, let the truck sit for a second, turn it back to the on position, not the run position, but turn it on. And then it enabled us to reset that oil life interval. Hope this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, leave a comment.